If you've been wondering whether your Windows PC has been hacked or infected with malware, this tutorial will show you a few quick checks you can perform in just a minute. These methods won't guarantee your computer is completely clean, but they can help you detect some of the most common signs of malware or unauthorized access. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is run Microsoft's built-in malware removal tool. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type MRT, then press Enter. This will open the Microsoft Windows Malicious software removal tool. Click Next to continue. You'll now see 3 scan options. If you're looking for a quick check, choose Quick Scan. This scans the most common locations where malware usually hides and only takes a few minutes to complete. If your computer has been acting strangely, running slower than usual, or you suspect a serious infection, you can choose Full Scan instead. Keep in mind that a full scan checks your entire computer and may take quite a while depending on the size of your drive. For this tutorial, we'll use Quick Scan. Wait for the scan to finish. If Windows detects any malicious software, it will display the results and help remove the threats. If malware is found, it's also a good idea to run a full scan afterward to make sure nothing has been missed. Now let's check whether someone has created another user account on your computer. Press Windows plus R again. This time type netplwiz, then press Enter. The User Accounts window will open. Here you'll see every user account that exists on your computer. Take a close look through the list. If you notice an account that you don't recognize or don't remember creating, that could be a warning sign. If you're certain the account isn't yours, select it and click Remove. This prevents unauthorized users from accessing your computer through that account. Now let's check which programs automatically start when Windows boots. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. From the left-hand side, click Startup Apps. Now click the status column to group together all the enabled startup programs. Go through the list carefully. If you find an application that you don't recognize or never installed yourself, right-click it and choose Disable. This won't uninstall the program, but it will stop it from launching automatically every time your computer starts. Disabling unknown startup programs can prevent suspicious software from running silently in the background.